Hello everyone, welcome back to Hum Tumor JavaScript. So today we are in this video basically we are going to look into a new problem statement. The problem statement is simple, okay? So we have an array of object, okay? And we have duplicate object basically, okay? And our question is to remove duplicate object from an array of object, okay? And we are going to use reduce method, okay, to do so. So basically you can have different approach like as per your requirement and all, but the main focus is like we are going to solve this problem statement using array reduce method. Okay. So let me uncomment this, the output wala thing. Okay. So constant result equal to array dot reduce. Okay. In reduce, basically you must be knowing that we will be having an callback function. Okay. And the initial value. So as we are working with array and we require array, so the initial value we are keeping it as an empty array, okay? And this will be the callback function. In this callback function we receive four different parameters, guys, okay? So we will be taking first one is final array. Basically this will be the array in which we will store all the, like, after calculation, what we say, the total you must be aware about. Basically we used to see total most of the time over here, so we are keeping it as final array in which we will store the result, okay? And current. Okay, current will be the current element. Okay. So now what we will use over here. Okay. So what we will use? We will use current object equal to final array dot find method. We will use find method over here. Okay. Find method basically takes a callback function. It's not a callback function which it takes. It's like a function. Okay. Okay. Item dot id we will do triple equal to current dot id. Okay. I will explain you what we are doing over here. Okay. So we are using find method of array. What find method does is like it will returns returns the object. Okay. Over here it will return the object which will match. Okay. If it is true, basically if this condition is true, so the current element will be returned. Basically over here we will get item itself, the current element. Okay. Return the object, or we can say item will be returned from the above function. Okay. And if it doesn't matches, okay, so there are no match. If the condition is false, this condition is false, so we are going to return undefined. Now on these conditions, okay, so basically this will be true and this will be false. So what we will do, if it is false, okay, if it is false means id doesn't match, okay, so this is unique object, okay, so we will concat that in final array. Okay, if it is true means there is similar object with the same key is already there. So what we will do, we will directly return final object. Basically we don't want to concat that current element into the final array if it is true. Okay, so we will, what we will do, as we have already done, we just need to do an if else. If it is true, so we will return final array. Okay, else we will return final array dot concat. I'm using shortcut over here, like you can concat on another line, then you can return another thing. I am just doing everything on the same line itself. Okay, so this will be the things. Okay, this will give us our required output. But what I will do, I will even not use else over here. You can use else. I'm just making it more short. Okay. Okay, this will give us final output. Let's see. Okay, see over here we are getting six different objects. Okay, so our total in initially we had this, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, okay, 10 object. So we have already removed the duplicate one. So now don't consider the name, okay, because we have targeted kept in mind that id will be the primary key, and we have checked void at itself id itself. Thank you.